Hey friends, so I am super excited because I got a special delivery and I am so excited to dive in. It is from my friends over at Team Cultivate What Matters, and it is Powersheets season. So that means that Powersheets are going to be launched very soon, all the accessories that go with it. And if you're not familiar with Powersheets, they are my go-to tool for goal setting, planning, and just making sure I'm staying on track. My clients use them, I use them, and I'm excited to share what the new 2021 Powersheets look like. All right, so if you know the team over at Cultivate and Laura Casey, you know all the things you wanted to do, you should do them. Absolutely. That is the goal. Always. All the big things. A new year begins here. I know a lot of us want a fresh start, and so no time like the present, so let's get into that. I just love the new year because it allows us to plan big things. Wow, look at all this stuff. First off, I just love all the color. Everything you can tell was designed with intention. This is tinting tape, so this is a great way to keep track of things you need to do, goals, important dates. So this is awesome. Ooh, growing good things. This is a pen, similar to what I'm wearing here. Pop that on. Little by little, oh my gosh, so cute. It's a little journal. It's a journal. I know my daughter's gonna try to steal it, she loves all the things that they have as well, just as much as I do. So this is a fun, beautiful, cute journal. This is something new, their color coding marker set. And so it's great because I know a lot of us, I wish you guys could see my daughter's expression. Her mouth is like, oh, so excited. You cannot have these are mine.
I'm the camera woman, by the way.
Then there's a goal setting sticker book, which I used the heck out of last time because it has so many great stickers that allows you to just keep track of everything. Like we all have different goals, personal, business, and everything. And so the different colors are great because it allows us to differentiate the different ones. But look, the gold foil is insane. Oh, I love all the stickers. So this is great. Can we talk about the pouch? The pouch is great because it holds all the things. And it's colorful, easy to keep up with, but you can keep everything together with, ta-da! This is what you've all been waiting for. This beauty. This, you guys, is the 2021 Powersheets Goal Planner. And if you can't tell, blue is one of my favorite colors. Pink is my favorite. But blue, something about blue. And this blue is awesome because I feel like it's very unisex and it's not too feminine at all. So for my guys out there, this is great too. And you can tell they packaged everything with care, right? So, here. Now, look at this beauty. The edges are protected. If you're like me and you take this in your pouch and you're carrying it from room to room to get a change of scenery, it's very great because this is a durable cover. And so they've made some changes this year, which I'm excited about. Love this handy guide that they give us because it just lets us know the best way to use this planner. The pockets are awesome for keeping track of everything. Fresh start, y'all. 2021. I know 2020 was something special. So 2021, I'm excited. This makes me so excited about a new year. Look at this, more stickers. Challenges, lessons learned. Yes and no lists, which is something that is a staple in the Powersheets because it reminds us the things we need to say yes to, the things we need to say no to in order to hit and reach these goals. Word of the year. Y'all want to hear something funny? My word of the year for 2020 was distance. Who knew we would be
Are you kidding me?
social distancing? So don't blame me, but my word was distance. I wanted to stay distant from things that weren't good for me, things that didn't fill me up, people that weren't good for me. And yeah, that was my year. Word of the year. So now we're going to pick something else for 2021. And then we have each month has a section, which is super cool. Tending list, which is very popular. Mini goals, yearly goals, action steps. And another thing, let me see. And again, let's talk about the color. It's not boring by any means. It's very colorful, positive, bright. But they also have calendars, monthly calendars. And this is a great place to use the stickers as well, because now you don't have to carry the goal planner, your other planners for the monthly goals. You don't have to do that. Let me see. What else? Preparing. They have some prep sheets in here. Let's see. Month in review, which is great. You always want to look back and see what you can improve and things you can do better, things you want to keep doing. But you guys, your refresh is here. New year, new set of power sheets, time to get going. So I'm going to get started on this sooner than later. I'm excited for a fresh start. I'm excited to have something to do, and I don't want to feel like I have to wait until January. I can start preparing now. And so here are all the good things, and there's even more on the website. So we're gonna order some stuff.
Can I get some stuff?
We're gonna have to order some stuff for the page. But here we are. So let me know if you have any questions. I've been using power sheets since day one, y'all. Literally when they were individual sheets in a binder. I've been using them since day one. And for the past years now, they just keep getting better and better. So thanks for hanging with me. Bye.